Good morning, children. This is Mrs. Sanju Malim from Springfield School, Masaptang, biology teacher for class 9th. Children, we have already completed with the lesson number 1, cell, its structure and function. But I would like to continue with one topic. Write an activity to show how do you observe the nucleus in the cheek cell. Please listen attentively and watch the video attentively. To observe the nucleus in the cheek cell is the aim. Materials required are a toothpick or ice cream spoon, glass slide, cover slip, needle, watch glass, blotting paper, glycerin, microscope, methylene blue, dye. Procedure is wash your mouth and scrape carefully a little of the internal lining of the cheek with spatula. Place the scrape on the glass slide. Then put a drop of methylene blue and wipe off the extra stain with a blotting paper. Put a drop of glycerine over it. Place a cover slip. Tap the cover slip with the blunt end of the needle so as to spread the cells, and then observe it under the microscope. You have to be careful. The precautions taken are you should not scrape hard. It may hurt you, and there should be no air bubbles under the cover slip in the slide. When we observe it under the microscope, we observe circular shaped cells with a dark colored stain in the center called nucleus. Cheek cells are circular in shape. See, you can observe here. There is cell membrane inside which cytoplasm is present and a dark color nucleus surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Now the last aspect of the lesson is who and when was the cell theory proposed by? What are its salient features? Cell theory was given by Schleiden and Schwann in 1838 to 1839. According to this theory, all the plants and animals are composed of cells. The cell is the basic unit of life and arises from the pre-existing cells. So with this, children, we complete our lesson. Now here are some objectives from the worksheets. Kindly note them down or underline in your textbook. The organelle absent in the animal cell is cell wall. The organelle present only in the animal cell is centriole. The organelle present in only plant cell is chloroplast as well as cell wall. Okay. The plasma membrane is also called as selectively permeable membrane. The porous membrane that gives the definite shape and protects the cell is called plasma membrane. Example of cell in which nucleus is absent is the RBC of mammals, red blood cells of mammals. The organelles involved in cell division is nucleus. The prokaryotic cells do not have nuclear membrane, whereas the eukaryotic cells have nuclear membrane. The fluid inside the nucleus is known as the nucleoplasm. The fluid inside the cell membrane is known as the cytoplasm. Example of prokaryote is cyanobacteria. Example of eukaryote is plant cell or animal cell. Cytoplasm was earlier named as protoplasm. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum have granules-like structures present on them called as ribosomes. The function of the rough endoplasmic reticulum is protein manufacture, and the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is manufacture of lipids. The cell organelle which are called suicidal bags are lysosomes. Golgi complex was discovered by Camillo Golgi. The function of the Golgi complex is to pack the substances before they are transported to other cell organelle. The energy releasing organ which is called as the powerhouses of the cell is mitochondria. The function of the ribosomes is protein synthesis, that is why they are called as the protein factory. The chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. The three types of plastids are chromoplast, leucoplast and chloroplast. Chromoplasts are colored ones, leucoplasts are colorless and chloroplasts are green color. Photosynthesis takes place in the chloroplast, and the pigment that is present in the chloroplast is chlorophyll. The function of the chloroplast is to trap the solar energy and transform it into chemical energy. The fluid filled structure is called as vacuole. The function of vacuole is to maintain turgor pressure and give rigidity to cell. Vacuoles are larger in plant cells compared to animal cells. Cell theory was proposed by Schleiden and Schwann. The salient features of the cell theory are all living organisms are composed of cells and all the cells arise from the pre-existing cells. I hope you have noted down all the points. Thank you very much for watching this video.